Welcome to Yoga and Fitness Fun. I am Van Goss, and it's all about testing. So here is your 5-minute brain boost workout. If you are gaming more than you are studying, put it down. Don't throw it like I did though. Put it down gently. So let's get ready to get you moving. We are going to do our ABCs. We're going to do it with our feet, our ankles, our legs. Sit tall if you're in your chair. Here we go. We're going to make it capital letters. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Do you feel it right in your thighs? Yes, I'm telling you, that's a good workout. We have to do the other side. Ready? A, B, C. Here we go. Capital letters, please. A, B. Which way my B is gonna go? C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, is it backwards? L, M, N, O, P, Q, Q, I don't think that was a Q. I don't know what kind of Q that was. R, S, wait a minute, that was a squiggly line. S, wait, which way am I going? T, U, just have fun. V, W, X, Y, Z. This time, we're going to exercise our hands and our arms and our shoulders. We're going to have fun writing our own name. Big, bold letters with your hands. And we're going to use our whole body. Why not? Now, my first name is Vanessa, and I go by Van Goss, right? Vanessa Goss. So I'm going to make a big V. Big V. Vanessa, that's the V. A. Got it? N, E, S, S, A. I'm just adding that in there. Get it? So if you wrote your name, awesome. Okay, now, ready? Write your last name. My last name is Goss, G-O-S-S. So I'm going to make a big G right here with my left hand. Here we go. G. There we go. And now we're going to make a big O with my right hand. Excellent. S. Left. Right in here. Start it. S. Boom. And that is how you get the workout with your hands and your legs. ABCs, spell your name, and you can even have fun writing numbers if you want to exercise. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, you know. Take a deep breath, do your best, pass the test. Stay amazing. Have a playful and grateful day. Bye. As always, thank you for working out with me.
Don't forget, click that subscribe button and the notification button.